Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a very different type of question which you have never attempted in your previous classes related to grammar. This question is known as, or the exercise is known as editing exercise. In this exercise, what is to be done? A passage will be given to you. In that passage, in each line of that passage, there will be an error. You have to find out that error, and you have to find out that error, you have to write that error, as well as you have to write the, after editing or after finding out the error, what should be the correct word, that also you are required to write. So as you are making the changes, already it's been written and you are editing it, you are simply making the changes, correcting the incorrect things. That is why this exercise is known as editing exercise, because the passage was already been written. So without wasting much time, before this we had done one more grammar exercise, that was gap filling. Children, all these exercises, whether you do gap filling, whether you do editing, whatever you do, these exercises are based on your previous knowledge, what you have studied till class 8, that is your modals, your tenses, your prepositions, and then comes your active passive voice. All these things are related here, will come in these exercises. All those topics will be judged here: conjunctions, prepositions, articles, determiners, all these things will be covered in these 2 or 3 types of questions. In grammar, in 80 marks paper, I will explain you, there will be 2 or 3 grammar questions, 2 grammar questions I hope. I'll let you know. One will be editing and or gap filling, and I'll check if it is dialogue writing or something else. I'll let you know about that. But in grammar, we have first exercise was gap filling, which we had done. You were provided with the 4 options. Out of those 4 options, you were supposed to choose the correct option and put it in the blank. But in this exercise, you will not be given anything, any hint. You have to think of and then you have to do it. So let's start. I have done here one example to make it clear. This way the format of the question will be this way only, as I have written here. The question says, the following passage has not been edited. There is an error in each line. Write the incorrect word as well as the correction against each line. See children, in the exam if we will give you the question will be same way as it is written here, but not the same question, but the method will be same, format will be same. Incorrect word also you will write, and you have to write the correct option also. In this case, I have first example, the question from the book from where I have taken this question. In this question, the first part they had done just to show how to do it. This is an example done, already was done, but not necessarily in the exam it will be done or not, okay? So you have to. In Himalayas, the desert is turning green. One more thing children, not necessarily the line will finish here. This line is, here the line has got over because there is a full stop, but in this case the line is not over, there is no full stop, it is moving to the next. Complete sentence I need to say, not the line, I am talking about complete sentence. So here the sentence is not complete, it has moved to the next line. So, but error will be in each line, okay? You have to be careful that error will be in each line. So let's start. In Himalayas, the desert is turning green. In Himalayas, a desert is turning green. First, already example was done. Climate change in a Indian region. Now you see, are you finding anything odd here? Yes, I am finding this thing odd here. According to me, this is the error. So I will write the error here, or the incorrect word is a. What should be? Climate change in the. According to me, there should be the. Correct word is the. So that is why I have written here. Climate change in the Indian region of Ladakh has shrunk glaciers or has made. It has, climate change in the Indian region of Ladakh has shrunk glaciers. According to me, incorrect word is or, and. Correct word is and has made rainfall and temperature unpredictable. So against this line we have written, against this line, now we have to find out in this line. Water has needed to irrigating. Water has, incorrect incorrect word. Water is needed. Correct word is. Is needed to irrigating. So incorrect word is irrigating, because with to we use first form of verb, that is irrigate. Correct word is irrigate. The correct word is irrigate, not irrigating. Is needed to irrigate the fields. Farmers may requiring aid from the government. Farmers may, incorrect word is requiring, and the correct word is require. So this is how we do editing exercise. Farmers may require aid from the government. So this is, children, how we do our editing exercise. This is just the example which I have done. Along with this video, I am going to post a few exercises for your practice. Then next time I will send you the answers. Today I will not send you the answers of the exercises. I will simply send you the answers and you try to do those exercises. Next time I will send answers and few more editing exercises. Thank you, children. And one more thing, girls, please do this work in your fair copy, fair work, okay?